Hi, I've had some questions about the assessment, so I decided to make a quick little presentation to explain what it is I'm looking for and to tell you that I'd like to answer any questions if you have them. Okay, so what is the assessment? Well, this is a question that we ask twice during the term. A pre-assessment, which is what we're doing now, occurs at the beginning of the education of the class that we're giving you. A post-assessment occurs near the end. That would be in December. We take your responses and we grade them via a rubric, which means that there are different categories and we give you different scores for each category. Why are there assessments and what do they test? Well, as you know, our classes are free and they're paid for by tax dollars. Well, assessments provide some type of accountability for our classes. The assessments don't reflect your knowledge as in facts, but they do reflect your understanding of concepts. And in a health class, which brain fitness is considered, success is measured in the improved understanding of the individual and in the changes incurred because of this understanding. The criteria includes understanding of the topic, the reasoning, how well you reason your facts, accuracy, what facts do you give and are they accurate, and communication, how do you sound as you're giving us the explanation. In each of these categories you get a score of 4, which is excellent, to 1, which is unsatisfactory. We also take all the scores and add them together and average them for a final score. In December, you'll receive an identical request. You'll be asked the same question and you'll have the same criteria for grading. And you'll be graded independently. We won't be looking at one score as we grade the next, but the scores will be compared. And now, the question. Consider the healthy choices that you believe will lead to a better quality of life. What are some of these healthy choices that you believe will lead to a better quality of life? Now, compare these healthy choices to the ones that you have already made, and then tell us how you can change your current choices to make them more healthy. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, when you think about the question, we're asking you, what kind of choices can lead to a better quality of life? So you tell us what choices you think you can make. What are some healthy choices that you've made already? And then finally, what healthy choices can you add or change in order to make a better improvement in your life? So think of these questions as you give your reply. It could be short, it could be a paragraph, or it could be as long as 3 paragraphs, but no longer than that. The shorter the better, as long as you think about your categories. I'm going to grade it, assign the values, the responses, but you won't know what grade you got until the assessment 2 is completed. And by the way, the grades mean nothing. They just give us some data for our programs. You're not going to flunk the class or anything, but we really would like you to take this assessment. It really does demonstrate how important these classes are, and it demonstrates that we are doing something. Remember, all pre-assessments are due on September 30th by 10 o'clock p.m. Mail the assessments to me, M. Prine, at sdccd.edu. That address is wrong. sdccd.edu. All right, thank you very much, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.